I'm Ridge and I decided to vlog my training and race day. I've been sleeping in my training for the last 2 months. My last proper run was the 5K sub 30. Then since then I've been neglecting my training. Look at the view. It's only me here guys. Well and tao. So aside from not training for 21 km, I've also decided to do a 15 km trail race next month for the Pamutan Cebu City Trail Fest 2026. I don't know if 1 month training would be sufficient for those race. So if you guys wondering why am I walking right now, so I think I've experienced shin splint just now since I've skipped warm up, no strengthening for 2 months, very few running sessions, so I'm playing it safe. The plan now is to do what I can do in this remaining month, to train but not overtrain, maybe put some mileage per week.